Top gold price drivers. If a recession is to finally take place accompanied by a large equity market crash, gold is the first commodity to suffer, but the first to recover. Why is this? As seen in prior market crashes, panic selling ensues among traders. To cover margin losses within the market's steep downward correction, a general liquidation of anything of value follows. Hence, the mass selling of gold creates liquidity. This drives down the price of gold temporarily. This is the opportunity. Then, typically, the flight to a safe haven asset, such as the US dollar, takes place. Nearly simultaneously with this crash, the Federal Reserve begins cutting interest rates at a rapid pace and as a result, creating inflation, thereby negating real interest rates. As a result, this in turn gives rise to a flight to another safe haven and defensive asset that is not eroding, which is gold. At this stage, gold has already decoupled from the S&P and quickly recovers, with the price shooting up as the equity market further corrects downwards. Also, the dollar's strength continues to weaken as a result of the accelerated monetary easing from the U.S. Central Bank. This pattern has been observed to various degrees in past market crashes and recessions. More recently, the Great Financial Crisis of 2008 and the tech market crash of the late 90s and early 2000s. A new gold bull market emerges as a result. If past is prologue, this is one more price driver dynamic to pay attention to. Whether you are in the soft landing or hard landing camp in terms of economic forecasting, the best present option for gold investing is to dollar cost average into gold while still at its present low and range bound. Therefore, the classic investing advice still stands: buy low. Just a quick interruption to this week's episode to give a quick mention to one of this channel's sponsors, Augusta Precious Metals. With over a decade in the industry, Augusta Precious Metals is one of the leading gold investing companies for trust, customer empowerment, and prices. The company provides 401k rollover services to tax-advantaged gold IRAs, as well as a unique gold investing educational webinar and resources for their customers, helping beginning and experienced investors protect their retirement wealth with confidence. Whether you are starting a brand new gold IRA or rolling over an existing account, the company will make this process seamless and stress-free. To find out more about Augusta Precious Metals, see the link in the video description to visit Augusta Precious Metals' official site to receive a free gold investing guide. Also, check out our video review of Augusta Precious Metals by clicking the link in the top right. Now, back to the episode. Money supply growth. Governments worldwide continue to print money at an unprecedented pace, which devalues currencies and generates inflation. Historical investment levels. Gold doesn't currently reflect its historic investment levels. A mere 1% of global savings is currently invested in gold, whereas historically, the average investment has been around 15%. Given this fact, if that 1% increased even just 1.5%, this would dramatically increase the value of gold. In a crisis, this is very much a likelihood. As you can see, gold's current undervaluation presents an ideal opportunity for retail investors like you. Gold holds a proven, time-tested track record as an economic constant that spans millennia. Why is it important to have an economic constant? What is the main question every person planning their retirement or building a business need to ask themselves? Are we growing wealth or are we losing wealth? And how do we measure this? Gold is that tool. Owning physical gold and precious metals requires responsible sourcing of grades, purity, condition, the best prices, and most of all, security and storage. Gold IRAs are a tax-deferred means of owning physical gold and ensuring that all these investment principles are met. We have reviewed and vetted the best gold IRA companies that meet all these requirements. See the links in the video description to access the free gold investment guides from these companies. If you have 100K of retirement savings to protect and want to take advantage of the best volume prices, see the link in the video description to sign up for the free Gold and Silver Web Conference hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Thank you for watching.